Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I will be sharing about the consumer buying process for microwave oven. The first step is problem recognition. The buyer begins to realize they have a need or desire to purchase a microwave oven. This need may arise for various reasons such as the existing microwave not functioning well or being completely broken. The buyer may also be moving to a new home that requires new kitchen appliance, or they may want to upgrade their kitchen with a more advanced microwave model that offering more special features. An influence from friends or media can also spark interest in a new microwave, especially when they see ads or hear positive testimonials.
Once the need for a new microwave oven is identified, the buyer will start gathering information to make an informed decision. At this point, buyer may search to read online review, compare the brand they want to buy with other brands, check price, and list the most popular or top performing model at the moment. Buyer may also ask friends or family who may have purchased a microwave oven or ask on social media to get recommendations from them. Additionally, buyers can also visit electronic store to see for themselves to physically inspect different model and get some advice from the seller himself based on the suitability of their needs and wants. After collecting information, the buyer will evaluate the available alternative to choose the most suitable model. Various factors will be taken into account such as price, size, design, power, watt, and additional features such as device function, automatic cooking modes, smart sensor, and durability. Buyer may consider brands known for the quality and durability of electrical equipment. For example, the Panasonic brand that is well known and has the highest energy saving. Aesthetic appeal may also play a role, as the microwave oven should complement the exciting kitchen design. If the buyer has a certain budget, the price factor will be important determining the chosen model. They will probably buy a microwave oven with standard features.
Purchase decision. At this stage, the buyer has chosen the model and brand that best meet their needs and preference. They will decide where to buy it, whether from a physical store or through an online platform such as Shopee, TikTok, or the official website of the brand. The buyer also considers factors like warranty policy, delivery times, and any discount or promotion available. A warranty policy can enhance buyer confidence. Sometimes, specific store or website offer promotion or free gift with the purchase, which can influence the buyer's final decision. Post-purchase evaluation. After purchasing and using the microwave, the buyer will assess whether it meets their expectation. This stage is essential as it determines the buyer's satisfaction level. If the microwave works well and meets their cooking needs, the buyer will likely feel satisfied and may recommend the model to others. Conversely, if they experience issues like unsatisfactory performance or low durability, they may feel disappointed and consider switching brands in the future. They may also discourage others from buying a microwave from the brand they purchase. The buyer's reaction to the product can impact the brand's reputation and may influence future purchasing choice.